Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. If you're considering an FE Fan Edition smartphone, you're likely looking for flagship features at a lower price. This comparison breaks down design, performance, camera, battery life, and more between the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, S23 FE, and S21 FE to help you choose the best one. Here are the quick specs comparison. First is the design and display. All three devices have 6.4 inches dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz display for smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. S24 FE has the most premium build, featuring an aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus for better durability. S21 FE has a plastic frame, making it feel less premium. All models have IP68 water and dust resistance, but on the display and design, the winner here is the S24 FE for the better build quality. Now onto the performance. S24 FE Exynos 2400/Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 is the most powerful with better efficiency and GPU performance. On the other hand, the 23 FE has an Exynos 2200 with a Snapdragon of 8 and Generation 1. Is still solid, but may heat up under heavy gaming. S21 FE on the other hand has an Exynos 2100/Snapdragon 888 is the weakest, with higher power consumption and heating issues. Of course, the winner here is S24 FE, which has the best performance and efficiency. Now let's go to the camera comparison. S24 FE and S23 FE have 50 megapixel main sensor, while S21 FE has 12 megapixel sensor. Still decent but not as sharp. All three have 12 megapixel ultra-wide and an 8 PMP telephoto, which is 3 times optical zoom. S21 FE has a higher resolution of 32 megapixel from camera, but S24 FE and S23 FE offers better image processing for selfies. The winner here is S24 FE and S23 FE for better primary sensory. Now let's go to the battery and charging. All three have 4500 mAh battery with 25 watts charging. Battery life is best on S24 FE due to better processor efficiency. S21 FE has the weakest battery performance due to its older chipset. The winner here again is the S24 FE for best efficiency. When it comes to the software and updates, S24 FE launches with One UI 6.1, which is the Android 14, and will receive more updates likely until Android 18. S23 FE is also great for software supports, but S21 FE is nearly the end of its update cycle. The winner here is the S24 FE, which is the longest update support. When it comes to the price and value for money, S21 FE is the most affordable, but not worth it unless you get it a huge discount. S23 FE offers a great balance in performance and price, while an S24 FE will be the most expensive but has the most long-term value. Winner here again is the S23 FE, which has the best balance of price and performance. Now the final verdict, which one should you buy? S24 FE is best for choice if you want a top-tier performance, longer software updates, and better efficiency. S23 FE is the best value for money, offering flagship-like performance at a lower cost. On the other hand, the 21 FE is only worth it if you find it a big discount. Now, which one are you going to get? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you into the next one.